The next preposition we will study is the preposition through. The speaker applies the preposition through to signify that the subject of the preposition overcomes and tunnels away the intermediate course indicated by the object of the preposition. We can think of the image that a train pierces through a tunnel. Then we can say that the train goes through the tunnel. The speaker applies the preposition through to signify that the listener as the subject of the preposition through passed and overcame the intermediate course indicated by the object, the difficulties of the preposition. The next preposition we will study is the preposition to. The speaker applies the preposition to signify the relationship between the subject of the preposition and the object of the preposition that the subject of the preposition proposes later than the point in time when the subject of the preposition exists. So we can understand that basically the combination of the preposition to and the root infinitive, which is called as the to infinitive, originates from the preposition to. And from this explanation, we can discern the differences. The difference between the point in time when the subject of the preposition has a purpose and the point in time, the future point in time, when the existence of the object of the preposition to happens to be real. I mentioned the object of the preposition to with the noun existence. The existence can be a tangible existence, like a place. And the existence can be extended to an experience, a condition, or an action. So we can understand that the preposition to is applied in many ways to reveal the intent of the speaker who aims at a place as well as a point in time and the place that are the premise for the experience, condition, or action indicated by the root infinitive. So there is a gap between the 2 points in time when the subject exists and has a purpose, and the point in time when the purpose actualizes for real. The subject of the preposition has the purpose at the point in time when the definition of the verb in the clause is actualized. The point in time when the subject of the preposition to exist relies on the point in time when the definition of the verb in the clause where the preposition to is applied actualizes. However, the actualization of the purpose is later than the point in time when the definition of the verb is actualized. There is a clause, I found a wallet to get a key. the subject of the preposition to is stated into a phrase of a general noun, a wallet. The subject, a wallet, existed in the past according to the past tense revealed by the form of the transitive verb found in the clause. Then the subject, a wallet, is able to be understood in the way the subject existed with a purpose. That purpose is an action to be actualized later than the point in the past when the subject existed. The action is described with the root infinitive get that has the form of the root infinitive. We can understand that the purpose of the existence that the subject of the preposition to reveals is an action, is a purposed action indicated by the root infinitive get. The speaker applies the preposition to signify the relationship that the subject, a wallet, exists for the purpose of actualizing the action indicated by the object get a key of the preposition. We have to change the tense of this verb existed. The speaker reveals the former latter relationship in time that the subject, a wallet, of the preposition will actualize the action indicated by the root infinitive get as the object of the preposition after the point in the past when the subject, a wallet, as the object of the transitive verb found got from the speaker, who is the subject of the clause.